Hi there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the basics of using the XL4016 step-down converter. Whether you are new to electronics or looking to understand how to efficiently use this voltage regulator, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of how to set up and use the XL4016 step-down converter for your projects. Let's dive in. This is the XL4016 step-down converter. The purpose of this converter is to convert a higher input voltage to a lower regulator output voltage. It's capable of driving up to 300 watts from 5 volts to 40 volts. Here's the pinout diagram for XL4016. This connector is for the input voltage and this one is for the output voltage. This trimmer is used for voltage adjustment and this for setting the current threshold. Observe the two heat sinks. These help dissipate heat. Notice the presence of this large capacitor. They play a crucial role in providing voltage stability. Let's use a 12-volt power supply to power the XL4016 module using wires. Ensure you connect the correct polarity. We'll also connect a measurement device to the output. With the power supply on, we can read the voltage on the measurement device. By adjusting the potentiometer clockwise or counterclockwise, we can observe its effect on the output voltage. It's important to set a voltage within the module's specified limits. Now let's connect a load to the output, such as some lights. We'll see how adjusting the potentiometer affects the load. Notice there's another trimmer for setting a current threshold. Observe this LED which turns red when the system is over the current threshold, which is already set. Now that you're familiar with using the XL4016 step-down converter, you can apply it to your projects. Don't hesitate to experiment further to enhance your learning. Congratulations! You've successfully grasped the basics of using the XL4016 step-down converter. Armed with this knowledge, you're well equipped to regulate voltage for a variety of electronic projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos on electronics and DIY projects. Thank you for watching.